My people, you remember back in the day when people used to say, if you pine pan grave and you no bite your 10 finger them, your finger them are go rotten off? Papa Jesus, I remember that like say her yesterday. I can't forget one time me and my cousin go bush, you know, and me see one pretty little grave man, and me go pine pan it and say that grave they pretty, and my cousin give me one licking on my back. We say when the lick connecting on my back, me swear say me pipi in the wally. And she said, girl, you know, say you know for pine pan grave, and your 10 finger then will drop off. So me just laugh after her and say, yeah, idiot, and what kind of same thing go so? My people, why is it that a week later one little bump come up on my big finger, yeah, so? And me no tap cratchy and it turn sore. My cousin, she create up one piece of excitement. And I said, see, me they tell you, say, if your pine pan grave, your finger, them a go rotten. Me say, my people, I never pray so in all of my lifetime. Anyways, it so happened that, you know, his finger heal up and everything. But it left a fear inside of me, man. You see, from that day on, even to today day, yeah, you see when me pass any kind of grave, me whole head for me head straight. Because me remember the little incident there when me was a little girl. My people, there's some memories where still is embedded inside of you, you know. As always, Mama Selva have a beautiful morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Any which part of the world you know there. And by the way, you don't have any memories of them, you same thing you want me just talk about.